Hey friends, good morning. Today we are going to see what is PolyBase in SQL Server 2016. Okay, so what is PolyBase? So in Microsoft SQL Server 2016, there is a new feature called as PolyBase. Okay, it acts as a channel or a bridge between your SQL Server and Apache Hadoop. Okay, and Azure also. So it allows user to query all structured, semi-structured, unstructured data in Hadoop using your normal SQL query language. Okay, so you don't have to worry about how the data is stored in Hadoop or Azure. Okay, so Polybase will take care of it. You just have to write the normal SQL query, and Polybase will in turn help you get the data from these unstructured or semi-structured databases, datasets. So it addresses the main customer pain point, okay, in data warehousing, where it's called distributed data sets. Some data are in SQL Server, some data is in Hadoop, some data is in cloud like Azure. So, so Polybase takes care of it. Okay, you don't need to worry how the data is stored. Okay, so this is a simple graphical representation, I would say. Okay, so on the first, you can see your on-premise SQL database marked as number one. Okay, SQL and SQL databases. Okay, and number two is your on-premise Hadoop, excuse me, Hadoop cluster. Okay, so all your unstructured data is stored in these Hadoop clusters. Okay, and number three is your cloud storage. The blob storage. It is also a flat file system. Unstructured data. Blob is unstructured data. It's a cloud storage. Azure. So all these three different data sets can be combined. Okay, and Polybase acts as an interconnect between all these three. Okay, and you can use your SQL query language to query this data and get the output. Okay. So you can see how efficient Polybase it is. Irrespective of where your data is stored, what kind of data structure it follows, whether structured, unstructured, or cloud, no matter what, you can write your standard SQL queries using your Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Okay, and it will access all these data for you. Polybase will act as a interface. Okay, hence making your learning skills learning time less, and you can more focus on the delivery of the data. You no need to worry about, okay, what query I have to write for Azure, what query language I have to write for Hadoop. All these you can forget. Okay, Polybase will take care of it. You can just write your normal SQL query how you write, and Polybase will do the backend work for you. So it's a very effective and useful feature. Okay, and today in a heterogeneous environment, especially for data warehousing and analysis, Polybase is a very excellent feature introduced by Microsoft. I hope this has been useful for you, and thank you for watching.